Open the glove box. Remove the rubber shelf by pulling upwards. Use a 7mm socket and remove the 2 screws securing the glove box assembly. Pull to remove the upper panel carefully as to not damage the connected wires. Unclip the wires from the back of the glove box. Unclip the tabs on the filter housing door. Then lift the door to free the bottom tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1251 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the wires. Reinstall the upper panel. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the rubber shelf by aligning the tabs with their catch and then pressing to lock them into place. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.